Hello! Welcome back sa YouTube channel. This is Gabby's vlog. Today's vlog all about the guessing on each showtime Michelle Gumabaw sa Hide and Seek Vlog. Ano kaya nangyari yung surprise? Na-subscribe out to the YouTube channel and alamin ko back kung anong subscribers na ilang subscribers. Okay, this is vlog 90, episode 90 entitled MG in Hide and Seek. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan na natin. Kahapon, sa Hide and Seek on Asia, but before that, si Rabia, hindi tagumpay ng celebrity singer si City Navarro, habang yung tatlo, sila Billy Hutchinson, na napili na yung celebrity singer ay si Billy Escalante, Bella Ismael, napili na yung celebrity singer na si Randy Santiago, and Pauline, na hindi may din yung last name, Amy Nix. Amy Nix is celebrity singer na si Lizelle Garcia. Sino kaya celebrity singer kung wala mo kay Michelle Gumabaw? Tatlo ang hahanapin yung tunay na celebrity kung babae o lalaki. Michelle Gumabaw, second runner-up of Miss Universe Philippines 2020, and siya yung semi-finalist sa Miss Globe 2018, and volleyball player of Creamline Cruise Nation. Kung sino ang tunay na celebrity singer sa tingin mo? Kung si number 1, 2, or 3. Sa first round, nilalaman ni Kantaguan, ang pili choices is number 2 or number 1 or ay number 3, pero magaling lahat, sabi ni Michelle Gumabaw. Sa mga judges from the It's Showtime host, sana may si Vice Ganda is, I think it's number, malaman natin yan sa ating YouTube channel. Now, for the second round is called Tagong Kampiyon. That kung sino yung individual, ay sino kanina taguan, yung group performances, yung naman, yung solo performances, hiwalay-hiwalay. And Michelle Gumabaw says, Tagong Kanta number 1. And in-announce ko, ay may mali. Mali po si Michelle. Pero okay naman. Natadag ko pa ng, pero may dagdag ng magiging 10,000 pesos of 4 winners sa 40,000 sa Matlang People. Sa ating celebrity singer na nanding napili ni Michelle, siya yung kapatid ni Arnie Hidalgo, si Jeffrey Hidalgo. Then, yung iba, yung TNT contender and wiki finalist, Benjamin Bandom and Ann Camacho. Congratulations, Michelle Gumabaw. So, okay lang yan. Meron po pang next segment. Join us through the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, plus TikTok, and Wisi, pati na rin Kumos na available It's Showtime account. And good luck to Michelle Gumabaw sa ating susunod na yukto dito sa ating volleyball career. Oras na para sa ating Gabby Special Quality Edition. Ryan Bang. Sayang, di ako na-meet last year sa Grand Finals ng TNT sa Caloocan Sports Philippines. At sana po, after ng quarantine na lang, imi-meet ka namin pag, wala na po COVID tayo. Maraming salamat, Mr. Ryan Bang. Saranghe. Ayan sa'yo. Opa. Now, it's time for pa-shoutout naman. The former classmates Altea, Arto Willie, Larica Espidillo, Kiara Bercoma, and Ali Gonzalez. Sana meet up po after quarantine next year, 2021, 10 years for Grace Week's reunion. Thank you for watching these vlogs. See you next time!